Yo, what up, people? WB smoking the his ass for Rizal. I'm about to go outside, right across the street to get me some coffee. I just opened the door, so I want y'all to see what I see as soon as I go outside. So here we go. It's crazy out here. Ooh, look at motherfucking snow on my feet. Look at it. Right at my motherfucking door. It's crazy out here. It's crazy out here. Yeah, it's crazy out here. It's my baby right there. Right there. Yeah. Whew. Brutal out here. Yes, it is. This wind ain't playing. Yes, it ain't playing. Ooh, my hands is freezing.
Rain here, and that also tells us that there's probably some intense snowfall rates happening right over here in parts of Long Island. We also caught a couple of these out across Connecticut too. This is where we're probably finding snowfall rates of about 2 inches per hour. There could be some spots in 3.
Listen, there's a building after this building right here, over there. You can't even see it. That's how bad the snow is. This weather is crazy. It's crazy, man. When you're out here, ain't gonna show you really nothing much, but the buildings are barely visible. You can't even see the rest of the buildings down that way. And there's more buildings. It's crazy, right? This weather is ridiculous. Just came to the supermarket to get me some stuff for my little one. I head back home. Just want to show y'all what this brutal weather is about. Out here. Can't barely see the buildings over there. The snowstorm is brutal, dogs. Brutal to the teeth. Can't see anything. There's a car wash straight up where that stoplight is. You barely can see the stoplight from here. Can't see the car wash. It's crazy. Look, you can't see nothing down that way. This is crazy. And my hands are freezing, so I'm gonna end this video. I'll see you guys on the next episode. Don't forget, like and subscribe for more video. Yeah. See? The car wash is kind of getting a little visible now. So, yeah, that's crazy. See ya.